Welcome, everyone. I am Tawheed. On behalf of World Academy, I would be giving you an introduction about us, and then I will hand over the platform to our honorable trainer, and he will be carrying out the session along the orientation. So, World Academy for Research and Development is a UK-based institution. And currently, we are operating in more than 50 countries. It's growing in numbers, and we are very happy to let you know that the responses are very good from all over the world. And to keep up with the quality of the education, we have the ISO certification of 21001 as per 2018. To give you a glimpse about what ISO 21001 refers to, it is the Management System for Educational Organization, in short, EOMS. And these are a few of the principles that we have to maintain in order to keep up with the quality of the education we are providing globally. A little bit about World Academy and its affiliation with different global institutions. So as I've said before that we are operating in more than 50 countries, it's 57 and it's growing. I think the last update was 61 countries at the moment. We are also the member of American Accreditation Association. We are the approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professionals UK. Approved center by Profpol UK and Board of HR Certification UK as well. We are also the approved provider of HRCI, SHRM, and ATD. These are all US-based organizations. And I believe if you are related to human resource, you are much familiar with the SHRM Institute. They are the pioneer in setting global standards for HR practices. As a result of being an approved provider, a couple of our programs are also academically aligned with SHRM. Along with that, we are an accredited institute by the International Professional Accreditation Council, Singapore, member of CPD Certification Service UK, and currently partnering with Singapore Training and Development Association, Institute of KPI Specialist, and Academy of Business English and Communication. So these are a couple of our recognitions and affiliations with different institutions. So I would, this is the introduction about World Academy, and I would like to request our honorable trainer to take the platform and continue with the orientation for our course today, which is on ISO 9001. So, sir, could you please carry on? I'm going to stop sharing my screen now.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Before I start up, can we have a small 2 minutes to 1 minute self-introduction of the participants to get a feel of who you are and from which country you are participating and what's your current background?
Sir, I think as this is the orientation for a big group, better in the first session, those who will be joining, you can have this introduction in detail.
Okay.
This time, what can you do? You can just give a brief idea that how the course will be administered and what will be the learning points and how they will be benefited after this course, so that it will be easier.
Okay. 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 Agree, Rupa. Okay. In that case, have a good day for you all. So it's great pleasure and enthusiasm that I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to our ISO 9000 Lead Auditor program today. It is an honor to have a diverse and talented group of individuals gathered today, as mentioned, Rupak, and all with a shared passion for quality management and auditing excellence. So today marks the beginning of an exciting journey towards expanding your knowledge in the area of ISO 9001-2015 standard and auditing practices. So as we investigate into the intricacies of ISO 9001-2015 and responsibilities of a lead auditor, and encourage you to actively participate and ask questions and engage with your fellow participants, because there will be a group activities during the course. This program is not just about acquiring a theoretical knowledge, but also about sharing insights, learning from each other's experience while you engage in quality management system implementation at your organization. So I'm confident that by the end of the orientation session, you will understand what the content we are going to cover under ISO 9001-2015 lead auditor program. So once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you and look forward to insightful, productive session in time to come. So let me share my screen and go into a little more detail about the content of what you're going to discuss in the next couple of weeks during our sessions. Rupak, is that sufficient to start with?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you
Okay.
can please.
So let me share my screen and get. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
Right. Okay. So in this training course, there will be 10 sessions. The session 1, we will discuss about the quality management systems and ISO 9000 series of standards. In the session 2, we will discuss about the process-based quality management system that we are going to audit in time to come. Then the process of registration, certification, and auditor competence is required to conduct as an auditor in time to come. So in the session 4, we will go into details about the audits and their definitions and principles and types of audits we're going to conduct. The session 5 will cover the auditing process from the request to completion of the audit process. The session 6, we will discuss about the preparing for the on-site audit. We call the stage 1 audit. And after reviewing the documentation of the client's company, then we do need to develop a checklist to understand for a thorough audit at the audits stage 2 audit. So the session 8 will discuss about how you conduct the on-site audit as a stage 2 audit. Then the session 9, we will focus on the audit review of the results and then submission of the report and the follow-up audits based on the stage 2. So basically, those are the content of the course. The key course objective is to equip participants with the knowledge and skills required to perform audits of QMS against ISO 9001-2015 according to ISO 19011 standard. The course objectives, if you see that, first one is understanding the purpose of a quality management system. So where we define the purpose of a QMS and its significance in organizational performance. Number 2, identify the benefits of implementing a QMS for an organization. Sometimes as an auditor, you have to sell the concept of QMS for them to embrace the quality management system for the future. Then third point, we're going to discuss about how a QMS contributes to meeting customer requirements and enhancing customer satisfaction. So that is the objective number 1. Objective number 2 is about describe the role of QMS standards in providing a framework for quality management system. We know ISO has given us a QMS standards. We're going to discuss the framework in detail. Second point is compare and contrast different QMS standards with a focus on ISO 9001-2015. We know there are different quality management systems, and we're going to understand those against 9001-2015 ISO standard. Third one is understand the importance of compliance with the QMS standard for organizational success. That's the under that. Then we're going to comprehension of the QMS audit process, where we discuss define the purpose and the importance of conducting QMS audits. Number 4, the role of an auditor, where we're going to discuss understand the responsibilities and competencies required of a QMS auditor. Second point, we're going to discuss on the role of auditor, explain how auditors plan, conduct, report, and follow up on QMS audits in accordance with the ISO 19011 standard. Third point is that describe the ethical considerations and the principles guiding an auditor during the auditing process. The fifth objective we're going to achieve is the application of audit principles. Apply the audit principles and technique to plan and conduct QMS audit. Then demonstrate proficiency in documenting audit findings, including non-conformities and areas for improvements. Those are the 2 major things we are looking at. Either it could be non-conformity or other areas for improvement. So we look at how those things can be professionally report for the auditee's purpose. Then the third point is to understand the importance of impartiality, confidentiality, and objectivity in the auditing process. As we know, as auditors, we are exposed to very much confidential information of the auditee. So as a professional auditor, we have to emphasize the importance of impartiality as an auditor and maintaining of the confidentiality, and how we look at the objectively about their process without having subject to prejudices in our mind. The 6th point is conducting QMS audit to ISO 9001 standard. So that is the hardcore of this course, how to conduct the audit, where we get plan and execution of a QMS audit to establish conformity with ISO 9001. Then second point is evaluate the effectiveness of the QMS in meeting the organizational objectives and customer expectations. So those are the objectives we have defined for the course. Are there any questions so far from any participant?
No question. Please proceed.
Let me move. So basically, when you conduct and if you want to get the best out of the program, these might work as a prerequisites. One is the understanding of the relationship between the quality management and the customer satisfaction. I'm sure most of you have this kind of a quality management background, and those who know quality management principles and customer satisfaction will be able to grab the principles we discuss better. Similarly, your familiarity with the common quality management terms and definition would be a real advantage, because we will use a lot of technical words defined in the ISO 9000 system itself. Then the knowledge of the 7 quality management principles outlined in the ISO 9000 would be the fundamental principle based on which we will develop a quality auditing system. Next point is understanding the process approach in quality management. So we know we are looking at the process processes in quality management in developing the quality. We will discuss those concepts in detail during the course also. But if you know background of the process approach, it will be added advantage for you to grasp the content we discuss more effectively. Then the familiarity with the model of a process-based QMS. If you are familiar with that, that's another added advantage. And knowledge of the structure and the content of the ISO 9000 2015 standard itself. Some of you must be aware of the standard requirements already by now. So that is another prerequisite or advantage. So in time to come, I might start with a self-introduction, as Rupak said, from next time. So where I like to get some idea about your job functions, organizational details where you work. If you are free to share that, that's fine. There's product and services offered in your organization. And if you have any certifications for your organization, what the status of that, what kind of standards you are familiar with, then any kind of information related to the familiarity with ISO QMS standards. Those who have worked will be added advantage. And finally, I would like to have a few words about what do you really expect from the course. So those are the content I'm going to ask each one of you to share with. At a certain stage, Rupak, at the beginning, we have to put them into groups, and there could be a certain group work assigned. We have to discuss model how you want to address those group work in time to come.
Thank you.
Yes.
Let me just share a couple of things here.
Yes.
We will share this self-introduction captions, the items, so that they can give an introductory details. Even we can share a form so that they can fill up this form with these details. So you can have a look on this, and then you can have idea about the entire group, and then you can develop the examples, and then there's other things, exercises based on the participants' profile, right?
Exactly. So because
So now the floor we can open for the questions. If you have any questions so far, any participants having any question?
Any questions?
Okay,
Hello.
so I have a question.
Please.
Sorry, please go ahead. Please.
Okay, my name is Adam. Yeah. So I'm speaking from Ghana. So I wanted to find out at the end of the course, are we going to be provided with the PPT presented here?
Yes, you will be. I mean, we will share the.
I have developed a separate document for you to follow with the session. So I will share it with Rupak, and Rupak do the needful.
Yes, in our dashboard you will find the materials. Whatever our trainer given to us, we will share. We will upload it in the portal, and you can find it. Usually for audit part, it is not like PPT. Probably it is a manual type, right? In details in Word document or PDF format. Am I correct, sir?
Yeah, it's a Word document.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, sir.
Yeah, I am from Bangladesh. My name is Mohammed Sulaiman. I have a question that I saw ISO 9001 2015, but I didn't see that in accordance with ISO 19011. Can you elaborate it?
Yeah, ISO 9011 will be used as for auditing purpose. We're going to discuss about ISO 9001 2015 version standards requirement for auditing purpose.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. So, if there is any other question from anyone,
Yes. Hello.
please.
This is Alfred Gleve from Ghana. I'm an electrical engineer, also a CEO of my company. I want to know, after this course, would this certificate cover my company, or is only going to cover my
This is an individual. This is an individual course, right?
Okay, so it
If
will
your
not cover
company
my
requires,
company.
if your company requires any ISO certification, any standard, you can contact us. We also I mean provide the ISO certification through an audit. We can do that as well.
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, if there is no other questions, we can call. Yes,
I
please.
also I have a question. After completing the course, will the certificate be valid in our institutions for career-wise, or is that a matter of knowledge?
No, actually, you can after this, you will have a license. I mean, license means you will have a proof that you have expert on this auditing purposes. So anywhere as an internal auditor you can work, or I mean, it could add value to your career as well, for sure.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right then. So thank you very much, sir, for your time and effort for this. And we will start our session from the next Saturday.
No, sir. The session will start from 4th May.
4th May. Okay. The first session will be on 4th May.
Right. Rupak, I have 1 or 2 slides more. Can I finish that also?
Please. You can.
Yes.
You can.
So you can see my screen, the success criteria, right? Hello. Can you all see my slides?
We can see it.
Criteria? Yes, right.
Yeah, we can see.
Yes. One is that
Yes.
it is important the full attendance of the course. It goes without saying. Then we will have certain ongoing group assignments time to time. So your performance on those sessions will be quite important. And then we will also give you some multiple choice 20 questions at one stage for you to complete. As far as the knowledge is concerned, understanding the purpose and benefits is important for you to get going this course. One is to explain the significance of advantages of QMS standards, management system, and third-party certification. So that kind of information, knowledge you need to gather during the course. Then you should be able to explain the role of an auditor to plan, conduct, and report and follow up on the QMS to establish conformity against 9001 standards. So that is one knowledge factor you need to collect. Second one is the skill part, the auditing proficiency. So you need to demonstrate the ability to plan, execute, document, and track the outcomes of a QMS audit and assess the conformity with ISO 9001 requirements adhering to the principles of ISO 19011 standard and ISO 17021 standard. So those are two important skill and a knowledge factor you need to gather during the course. So from 4th of May, we'll start from the session 1 and we'll look forward to seeing you all on that day. Thank you, Rupak. It's over to you. Hello.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes.
So normally, how long does a session last? Let's say on 4th May. How long does one session, one sitting last?
It's a 3-hour session.
Thank you.
Yes.
So it's 4th May is same time like today.
Same time, all 11 Saturdays.
All right, sir.
Hello. This is
Hello.
Amansu from Mozambique.
Good.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. And Sri Lanka, Mozambique is here. Good afternoon here, but good evening now. And I have some question about the criteria to requirement certification. If possible, I'm studying sociologist and environmentalist and environmental consultant. And my question is it's impossible to do without mentioning the company to do the course, because I'm applying for new job openings in my country. And I had the information yesterday on Facebook, your Facebook page about the course. Hello.
Hello.
Did you listen
Rupak,
me?
are you there?
Yes, I am here, sir. Sir, no issue.
My question is, if it's impossible to do without mention the company, because I'm applying for new job openings. I have in company now. I see a new way to work, and this document is very important for second interview.
Yeah, sir. One of our representative will contact you soon. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I am already shared the. Shared the new flyer in our chat box. If you guys feel this is what the class or the course for you, please share with your social media. I'm already shared the flyer in chat box.
Hello.
Thank you. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot.
Hello.
Welcome, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, this is Shongo from Mozambique. I want to know how many sessions will we have? On the 40, we will have the first one, and there will be more sessions, or just the 40 that will happen on 40?
Yes, sir. Our total session is 11, and the course duration is 4 months.
Okay, thank you. 11 and 4 months. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. 11 sessions.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Any other question, please?
Rupak, will it be possible for you to collect the information about their backgrounds, so for that I can study when I come for the 4th May session?
Yes, sir. We'll share. We'll share.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Hello?
There is no? Yes, sir.
Yeah, my name is Francis from Ghana.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to ask why the duration is 4 months, because I know of other companies doing the same course, and they take it like 5 to, let's say, 6 days to complete this whole ISO 9001 course. So what is so special about this course that is taking us that long duration? Thank you.
So the main reason is when you have a 5-day session, it is a full day 5-day sessions. And we are going to have 3 hours. So 3 hours into 11 is 33 hours. So if you look at the number of hours, maybe more or less same. So that is why this has gone for a 4 months period, because we are doing 3 hours per day. Maybe Rupak, in time to come, we can organize 5-day sessions throughout the day, which will not be so easy to do it online. It's not like a physical meeting. So we'll see that possibility also later on for those who want to cover the courses in 5 days. That's not an impossible thing.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. I think there is no question. So we can conclude here, and see you at 4th May.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so
One thing,
much.
Mr. Rupam, please. I am sorry to just in my message I saw that it BD time 8 p.m. But when I joined and exactly 8, I saw that I am late. You have already discussed about your company. So is there any time gap?
No, sir. In BD time, it's 8 p.m. Sometime we'll start later, 8:05, 8:06, something like that. But the time is 8 p.m.
Okay.
Rupak,
and another thing,
I think the confusion is when shared the Zoom link, it was mentioned at 8 p.m.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes.
when we talk each other, I realize it's 7:30. So how do you avoid the confusion next 4th of May? Shall we start 7:30 Sri Lankan time?
Yes, sir. Yes. It's sharp 7:30 Sri Lanka time, 8 p.m. Bangladesh time.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And for the participant who just asked, I shared when I shared the presentation, what we discussed in the orientation is also inclusive of that. Nothing to worry about.
Perfect, sir. Perfect.
Hello, I think someone asked the question in the chat box. So if you can attend to the question before we leave.
Yeah, sir. Those participants already paid for this course. They already include in a WhatsApp group. We'll share in the WhatsApp group the course manual and the form also. They will collect from them.
And that will be great. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome, sir.
Okay.
Okay, then. Are there any other questions?
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, then we can conclude
Bye.
the session for today. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.